viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 2D and 3D plane properties of geometry. Let's move on. We have already discussed about polygons in our part 1 of geometry. Once again, we will revise. Polygons is a closed plane figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. The most familiar polygons are triangle, rectangle, and square. A regular polygon is one that has equal sides. Polygons are named by their vertices. We will see that in the coming slides. Polygons also have diagonals, which are segments that join two vertices and are not sides. We will know about triangle. A triangle is three-sided polygon which has three vertices, three corners A, B and C as depicted in the figure, and it has three sides AB, BC and CA. Let's know about quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon, has four vertices A, B, C and D, and has four sides AB, BC, CD and DA as shown in the figure. Coming to rectangle, a quadrilateral with four 90-degree angles. It has four vertices A, B, C and D. You can see all of them are 90-degree angled. And it has four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Opposite sides are equal. Side AB is equal to side DA and side AD is equal to side BC. Now let's know about square. A quadrilateral with four 90-degree angles but are of equal length. It has four vertices A, B, C and D and has four sides AB, BC, CD and DA, but all these sides are equal. Circle. A circle is a closed figure formed by a curved line. Remember, it's not a polygon and it has no sides nor vertices. Now let's know about solid shapes. These are objects that occupy space. They are three-dimensional and have width, length and height. Now let's know properties of cube. Cube is an object which looks like solid, box-shaped that has six identical square faces. A cube has six equal plane surfaces and all the faces of the cube are square in shape. Cuboid. The cuboid has six rectangular faces. This is the difference between cube and cuboid. The opposite rectangular plane surfaces are identical. In a cuboid, there are six rectangular plane surfaces. There are 8 vertices and 12 edges. Moving to cylinder. A cylinder stands on a circular plane surface having circular plane surfaces on its top and bottom. You can see in the figure, in a cylinder there are two plane surfaces and one curved surface. There are two edges and no vertices. Moving to cone. A cone has one plane circular surface, that is its base, and only one curved surface. In a cone, there is one plane surface and one curved surface. There are one edge and one vertex. Sphere. It is ball-like shaped and there is curved surface, no edge nor vertex. To summarize, from the 2D planes, we have learned the 3D planes and these comprise of rectangular solid, which is known as cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Their properties are listed down in the table as well as the examples are given for your reference. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. I'll come back soon with set of questions. Until then, take care. Have a nice day.